Greetings. Today we have to solve our assignments that's the codes in the variables and functions and blah blah blah. So we have to upload a Unity program and upload it, install it in our devices, and that will write our code in Visual Studio and we will integrate it to each other. So the first we have uh, a variables. That's our code. So when we want to run it in Unity, we go to console and we set. Now it's running, but I'm gonna explain the code, the integer number, so it means a correct number without a fractions. A float point, it means like integer number but with the fractions. When I have 7.7, and that's it. A strange it means a letter, so the computer cannot understand it. We made it like this. Uh, a character, it means abbreviation, so one letter or anything that means has a meaning. So we have to in void start to write our things, in void update we will print name. When we want to see in the secret, we say why it became here, because we put the string, it came here only the strange, that's the name we have named it. It became here because we put it as a public, so we can edit it or something like that. The second assignment we have now, the functions. So this. Now I'm gonna show you how to the function. Now we'll run our code. I will see what will happen. This is a mistake. So now we wanna complete this code. We have a void fraction the integer we have to now to input the integer, so I write it as a 30. Void start, that's our function. So now we will multiply our integer number by the 2. So it will become here 60, as it shows us in the unity 60. And for the second function, so in this example, so in the second, it will sum this our integer with the 10, so it will become 20. For example, if we want to uh, change the number to the 50, so we will now that change. Let's run it from here, pause it and play it again. Now we will notice the change. So as we said, it's now changed 50 plus 50, it became 120. That we added 10 plus 10 in this sum. This is the second function, 10 plus 10. And now when we will come back to the statement that's related to the integers, so we can see now our code that's expressed now. If there is a teacher and he wants to write a program, if the students get from 60 and above, and that's mean he will pass the course. And if he got less than 60, that means he failed and he had to go to the re-exam. That's what we write in our function. So we made the integer, we can put it in the hop immediately. In the public integer, we write it in the program itself in hop unity. So this is our functions. If the student gets less more than 60, he will pass, and we can write a comment. For example, if you are a good student, and if he doesn't pass, that means you don't pass. Please come to the re-exam. Let's try our code. Now we will test the code if it goes. Here is the score that we can print it ourselves, but there is no need to go to the Visual Studio and write it again. So best, you are a good student. If we change it, for example, to 55, and we will check it now.